Have you ever wondered how your voice travels thousands of kilometers in just a second when you call someone in another country? Let's say you're in Pakistan and you call someone in Saudi Arabia. How does your hello reach them instantly? It feels like magic, but it's all science and technology working together at incredible speeds. This isn't just about calls. It's about messages, WhatsApp, and even video calls. Today, we're going to uncover the amazing journey your voice and data take across the globe. Let's start with your phone. When you speak into your mobile, it doesn't just send your voice through the air. First, your phone acts like a smart translator. It takes the sound waves of your voice and converts them into tiny digital packets of information. Think of these as tiny golden envelopes, each carrying a small piece of your conversation. These packets are then sent out from your phone as invisible radio signals, ready to begin their high-speed journey through the air. Your phone is constantly doing this, converting and sending data in the blink of an eye. So, where do these signals go next? This is where the journey gets really interesting. Your phone's signal first travels to the nearest cell tower. This tower is like the first stop on a superhighway. From the tower, your signal is passed along through a massive network of cables and other towers, connecting it to the main internet backbone. This backbone is a global network of huge fiber optic cables, many of which lie at the bottom of the ocean, connecting continents. Your data packets travel through these cables to servers, which are powerful computers that direct your call to the right person, no matter where they are in the world. Finally, the signal reaches the cell tower near your friend's phone, and their mobile converts the digital packets back into your voice. Now, what about WhatsApp messages and video calls? They use the very same system, but with a slight twist. This technology is called Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP. When you send a message or make a video call, your data is broken down into even more of those tiny digital packets. For a video call, these packets contain both audio and video information. They travel across the internet, sometimes taking different paths to get to their destination faster. Once they arrive at the receiver's phone, they are quickly reassembled in the correct order to show the video and play the sound. This all happens so fast that it feels like you're talking in real time. But we've all experienced it. Sometimes the signal just fails. Why does that happen? There are a few common reasons. The most obvious one is being too far from a cell tower, giving you a weak signal. Another reason could be that the tower you're connected to is too busy. Imagine hundreds of people trying to use the same narrow road at once. It creates a traffic jam for data. Sometimes, the problem isn't the tower but a slow internet connection somewhere along the route, just like a delay on the highway. A problem in the network's routing can slow down or even stop your data packets from reaching their destination, causing dropped calls or a frozen video. And that's the incredible journey your voice and data take every single day, connecting us all across the world. From a simple sound wave to digital packets traveling through towers, under oceans, and back again. It's a masterpiece of global engineering. The next time you make a call, you'll know exactly how your voice is making its way across the planet. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that shapes our world.